Good morning YouTubers, welcome back to the Davy Brown 990 restoration. Today we're going to try and get these link arms lifted off here. So it's bloody freezing here today, the wind's blowing a gale. I'm standing behind the shed trying to keep the wind noise down. Sorry if it's getting through on the microphone, but brought some tools with us. We're going to put some pressure on these nuts, a little bit of heat, and we'll see if we can get them off. Bye no more. As you can see, we've got both the nuts slack, but there's a lock and taper in here, keeps these tied in. So the plan is we're going to put a 3-leg puller on here, give it a bit of a push, hopefully, and put a bit of heat into here. We're going to give it a tap with a hammer, so hopefully like a ball joint the taper will pop and break, and because of the little bit of pressure on here it'll shoot that enough just to get it freed off. Right, let's see if we can get you onto a tripod somewhere sensible today, out of the wind, and we'll see if we can get this done. Right, the plan is take the nuts off, put some pressure on here, a 3-legged puller, see if we can get this into here. I'm not trying to pop these using the puller. I think there's too much pressure in here for that. So the plan is, all I'm looking for is enough pressure on here to make it move the instant it does give. We'll see, it might work, might not work. It would be nicer if these bolts had a bit of a centre in them, but they haven't. Because it's cool morning here. if there's some sort of line there in those castings in there. Right, let's give it a tap. As you can see, it worked, even though your camera fell off and you perched over there, that hydraulic system, and obviously you built it with a hammer, it all fell off. But anyway, first one off, knock the other one out, and then we can get away home, wire brush, clean, paint. You can quite clearly see here the locking taper. Ooh, that is warm. Where's the hole? There we are. That little gas torch is brilliant. Puts a lot of heat in very quickly, which I'm very surprised about today. Look at it. I'm not affiliated with these people at all. Had to buy this. Bought it with some Christmas money off my son. Let's see if we can get this one recorded start to finish without you falling over. Let's get the nim. Hard on the knees here. Should have brought me little foam pad with us. That's what happens when you get old. Everything starts to hurt. Right, I'm going to try and put a nut and a washer in here this time. I brought them, but the idea is to protect the bolt. Should have brought some grease. Glue them together with grease. That's hot. Oh, that is hot. There we go. It doesn't need a lot of pressure. It just needs enough so that the instant it moves, it just keeps going. It doesn't resettle. Push the little divot into the end of there because the point on the puller is hardened. That you can get little cups that go on and the end of the bolt goes into the cup to stop this happening. If anybody out there knows where I can get them, drop us a line in the comments please. Right, warm it up. Look at that! You didn't have to hit it. Didn't even have to hit it. Look what that's done to me washer. Never mind. It's off. Job's a good one. That was quicker and easier than I thought it was going to be. There is a steel liner in here. Both sides. So I would imagine that those holes are probably bored through parallel and then the liner turned and pushed in. Probably a wear component, no, it's probably a consumable. However, so there we go, both arms off. Get cleaned up, sort it out. We'll take all this to bits, have a look inside here. It's working, there's no free play on there at all, so I'm not expecting to find anything wrong in there when I do get it home. And I would imagine if you pull this out of here, you'll get this bolt out, because that's rotating nice and freely, but that looks like it's got a captive. Here's me come across for all day. I think it was going to be a bish bash bosh job, and it's fairly quick and easy. Never mind. Next job is not today, but the next job will be remove the PTO, split it here, remove the PTO, and then we will get that suction tube out of there. At that point I'll have to, excuse me, I'll have to take this casting home, because all the hydraulics has got to come out of it, go into my replacement casting over there. Right, well then, happy with that. Well, that was quick and easy, wasn't it? Unbelievable, probably one of the easiest and quickest jobs I've managed to get done so far. But never mind, we'll get tidied up, we'll put the gear in the car, and we'll get ourselves away home, apply some wire brushes over the next couple of days, and we'll see how we'll get on with that. I'm going to wire brush these. I'm going to open this one up, the adjustable one, the leveler. I'm going to open that up, check inside it, get it all back together, everything be wire brushed. It'll then be primed and painted, and when I do the priming and painting video of it, we'll go through different paints and different mixes that I'm using and the results that we're getting. Alright, well, thank you very much for visiting. See you soon.